Alright, so today's on the menu, Caesar salad with chicken fajitas. They're basically already cooked. I'm just going to heat them up with my little stove top. And then we got the Caesar little salad mix. Put that in the bowl. I got extra Caesar dressing because I like it a little bit wet outside of a Walmart parking lot. Never used this stove before, but hopefully it works out good. Oh, wait a minute. I have a full lantern right here. I was about to use a flashlight. This doesn't really do much. That's way better. I'll do that instead. These aren't even croutons, these are like just broken crackers. What is that? Should have definitely got some more croutons. Alright, now let's heat up this chicken and then we'll put the dressing on after. Not gonna lie, it's working pretty good. So I got this little burner off Amazon for 20 bucks, and then these little propane things you get at Walmart for 5 bucks. It's working pretty well. Like I said, the chicken's already heated, so I'm just basically warming up the chicken so that way it'll be good with the Caesar salad. But so it's kind of like a test experiment, and it's working pretty good. So I think tomorrow I'm gonna do a legit meal with this. Just like that. Voila, chicken Caesar salad. I already had a few bites, and honestly, I don't know if it's because I'm in my truck or what, but it tastes even better here than I did at my house. Back of the truck. So this was obviously just like a test run, you know. I have a two burner Coleman stove that I'm gonna bring out probably tomorrow, the next day, make a legit meal. But this is just the beginning. Like, I'm gonna be cooking so many meals, especially when I get like in the middle of nowhere. Obviously I'm still in Chattanooga, Tennessee, so it's like so city, I can literally go anywhere to eat. But it was 9:30. A lot of places are closed on a Monday. I was like, I'm hungry, I'm outside of Walmart, what can I do? And I figured a chicken Caesar salad would be perfect. You know, it's already basically cooked, the chicken was already cooked, I just needed to heat it up. I used my little small burner. That small burner is mainly I got for like hot chocolate and soups and stuff like that. And then the Coleman burner will be for like legit meals. So hope you guys did enjoy this little Caesar salad thing. Now I'm gonna enjoy and eat this because it is good. Mm.